Good morning guys. Meron tayong bagong project. Ito yung cover. So gagawin natin to sa SLS 3D printer. So step by step, first process. So i-scan natin. Okay. Then pagkatapos optimize. Then we create a 3D model dito sa software so-called reverse engineering. Okay, so this is the sketch. So it will take time. So i-create tayo ng 3D model. Okay, take a look. So medyo may katagalan to. Then, so now this is the model. Okay. Then to ensure, so i-check natin yung deviation for accuracy. Okay. Bring something so it is not bad. So the size is acceptable. Then take a look, just continue observing how to make it. So, okay. This is so-called deviation checking. Okay. Di medyo may katagalan lang para masiguro natin. Kasi pag once na na-set yung pag-print, hindi na natin ma-check kung nandoon na sa loob ng 3D printer. So, i-ensure natin lahat yung sizes na mamatch siya, okay? Ito yung scan object. So, ito yung new model. Okay, almost perfect. Then, pagkatapos ng pag-check, so proceed tayo. So, ito na yung as per sample. Okay, so top view. Okay, all right, so proceed for slicing. So this is a slicing software. So i-open natin, pasok natin yung model. Okay. So this is orientation. I-check natin mabuti. Then dito sa software pwede nating i-multiple yung items. I-try natin yung maramihan. Pwede nating i-imprinta ng sabay-sabay. Okay, pwedeng 20 pieces, 30 pieces as long mapasok siya sa loob ng chamber, printing chamber. Okay, so nag-reading pa. Pina-check natin yung so-called factoring and printing. So, okay. Continue, pwede natin i-check dito yung print time, part cost, printing cost, saka yung sintered and unsintered powder. So nandito lahat yung data. So pagkatapos ito guys, ita-transfer natin yung data to SLS 3D printer. So meaning selective laser sintering. Okay. So if ma-confirm na natin yung setup, materials, ipoproceed na tayo sa 3D printing. Okay. So checking once more. So items, how many pieces? Alright, so confirm. Okay. Time, material, check. Okay, then so naglo-load pa, waiting 100%. Okay, then confirm. Orientation, time. Okay. Then proceed na tayo sa 3D machine. So here we go. Ito na yung 3D printer. So makikita natin sa monitor yung part. Okay, layer by layer yung papiprint. So ito na yung laser. Okay, then keep on watching until the whole process, hanggang matapos, hanggang transfer to selective machine. Then do some dusting until parts checking and quality control. Okay. So guys, ito na yung ating finished products. So look, seems like original. Okay, yun. So isang setup lang, so maraming pwedeng i-imprinta. Okay, pwedeng multiple pieces hanggang kaya ng at mapasok ng mga printing. So next process, i-check natin. information. So as per sa design, sa model design na ating create kanina. Okay. So guys, ito na ang ating products. Okay. Yan. So, isang printahan lang, maraming piraso. Okay. So, ito yung original. So, as per sample. Then, titingnan natin yung bawat kanto. Okay. Okay, yung forma. Match natin. So, okay, perfect. Perfect. Then, yung appearance, yung kabilang side. Alright. Tap natin. Okay. Perfect. Alright. So guys, this is a whole process of SLS 3D printer. So this is our printed covers. Alright. Okay, so thank you for watching.